Hello, you're welcome so that you can solve this an amazing maths problem. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the math problem that we have. So we have 5 to the power of a, then again multiply by, so the full stop or the point is multiplied by 5 to the power of a is equals to 50. So if you know how to work out this maths problem, please don't forget to share with us your answers on the comment section so that from here we can confirm and check if truly you've got it right. So let's now start. Now, so since we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of a, so we have a formula according to the law of this equation. So that means that when you have a to the power of m, then also to the power of n, m to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So this one now we shall have as a to the power of m plus n. So that now shall be the result. So 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of a. So we shall now rewrite it by saying that when you have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 5 to the power of a, so this one now shall be 5 to the power of a plus a. So our result in this case shall now be 5 to the power of a plus a is 2a. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 2a is equals to 50. So let's now work it out by now saying that, so now 5 to the power of 2a is equals to 50. So now we are still being told to work out the value of a. Now in this case here we have the whole number, that is 50. 5 is the base, then 2a is an index. Assuming we have the log of p to the power of m, so this one can be written as m the log of p. So let's change 5 to the power of 2a in the form of m log p. So in this case now we shall have 2a, so 2a log 5 is equals to the log of 50. So meaning that you have just worked it out by introducing the log from both sides. So then we've introduced the log of 5 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 50. So that is now, initially we should have made it this way to be like the log of 5 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 50. So that when we work it out by following this method, we shall now end up with the 2a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 50. So from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 5. So here also by the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. So now we shall now have 2a is equals to the log of 50 all over the log of 5. So the what is remaining is for us now to simplify all this problem now. So here now 2a here, so 2a is equals to the log of 50 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 10 all over now the log of 5. So we can still work it out. So in this case now we shall have something like, so assuming that we have the log ab, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So 2a now shall be the log of, so now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 5. So our 2a, so now we shall have 2a to be now is equals to, so we shall use the log of 5 to divide both sides by the log of 5. So now we shall have the log of 5 all over again the log of 5, then plus the log of 10 all over the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. So now we shall have 2a. So our 2a is equals to 1 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 5. So finally, our last step now we shall have 2a is equals to 1 plus, so the log 10 shall be 5 multiplied by 2 all over the log of 5. So here now 2a is equals to So now we shall have 2a is equals to 1 plus the log 5 plus the log 2 all over now the log of 5. So here 2a is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log 5 all over the log of 5, then plus the log 2 all over the log of 5. So now when we work it out, now we shall realize that now we shall have 2a. So 2a is equals to 1 plus, so the log 5 and the log 5 cancel each other, plus here the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So here now we shall now say that, so here now 2a is equals to 1 plus 1, now we shall have 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So suppose we have something like the log of a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall say that 2a now is equals to, now we shall have 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now what is remaining for us now is to remove these 2, so that now we shall remain with a. So meaning that we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2. So here also by 2. So 2 and 2 shall cancel. So value for a is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5 all over 2. So this one is for now what we shall get. So in our next step now, we shall now conclude by saying that our value for a is equals to, so now we shall have 2 then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then we divide all of them by this 2 here. So now our a here, so a is equals to, so 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus, so this one now shall be a half, so now we shall have a half the log of 2 to the base of 5. So that one now shall be our value for a. So this one now shall be our correct answer. So our correct answer is a is equals to 1 plus a half the log of 2 to the base of 5. So that is how we work it out and get the correct answer.